Welcome back to Monarch Garden, folks, fellas, ladies and gentlemen, subscribers, viewers, supporters, sponsors, growers, dabbers, everybody that show Monarch love. You are ready, you are ready, you are ready. 750S, bad boy of all lights. And we still got the 650 down there. You see it, you see it, you see it, you see it. Beast, 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 beast. You are ready, you are ready, you are ready. Yes, sir, yes, sir. We looking at the Phantom. You remember this? You are ready. UVIR, Samsung chip, all that. Yes, sir. And there go the Optic 8. Man, we ain't using it right now. Everything is get the chop, the kilowatt. We not using it right now. Everything got the chopping. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. And there go the AC with the dehumidifier and all that. That's what we was trying to use this summer, but too much power, so we had to shut it down back here. Too much power was back here in terms of all these gadgets, the kilowatt, the beast of the Optic 8. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. But we got a mail call we about to dive into real quick, you feel me? And we got something popping, so soon y'all gonna see some grows. Yes sir, so bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. Let's dive into this mail call real quick. Before the mail call, I just want to show you the setup of the veg. We still got things popping. We still got things popping. We got the Optic 2, the old version. Yes, sir. You see it. Got a built-in timer. You see it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. XL, straight veg. 1XL. And we got another one over here. 5,000K spectrum for the veg. Yes sir, yes sir, yes ma'am. You are ready, you are ready, you are ready, you are ready. An old Monarch slap. And you already know we got the new Monarch slap. I gotta get me some more of those. A lot of people that needs that. So I gotta get that, I gotta get that. So big up Team Optic always. Big up Team Optic always. And big up Mona Nita De Plata. You are ready, you are ready, you are ready. So let's go dive into this mail call real quick, fellas. Okay. So we got two boxes. One, I ain't even gonna mention where that's coming from. My man talked me into getting one of those, the trimmers, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't even gonna mention, he don't even want me to mention where that's, you know what I'm saying, who recommended that to me. So thanks for the love, thanks for the love. You know who you are, mad love and respect. You know what I'm saying, for recommending this trimmer. Yes sir, yes sir. But I also got something from Amazon. Let me open this up real quick, because I did partially semi-open it. You know what I'm saying? So let me get my box cutter and finish open that damn thing. Alright, I got my box cutter, so let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes sir, let's open this thing. Let's open this thing. Take all that out. Yes sir. Voila. This is what I got, baby. This is what I got. You see it. Golden solution. I had to get this, folks. Look. I had to get this. Humidifier. You know what I'm saying? You remember my last humidifier I had last winter? I ruined that. I ruined it. And that humidifier was the best humidifier at that time. You know what I'm saying? But I never had this. Because like I said, that was my first time. I don't really know nothing about how humidifier work and all that stuff, all that calcium buildup. You know what I'm saying? I ain't know nothing about all that. So that first humidifier got messed up because it got so much calcium buildup. Whatever that was in the tap water, it builds up inside of the humidifier. You know what I'm saying? And messed it up. I couldn't even clean it. Shit was caked up towards it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even know what to get to clean it. So it's totally stopped working. So I had to go get me a brand new humidifier. The best of the best. You know Monarch always mess with the best of the best. But it ain't here yet. Hopefully by tomorrow I'll get that. So I'll do another video on that one and show you the new best of the best that Monarch caught. So this time I'll make sure I got the thing to put inside of the water to stop all that buildup. So I'm saying, see it? Water treatment combination. to stop all that, there you go, build up, to stop all that build up, the scale. So my humidifier could work way longer. Now it could be easily cleaned. There's no build up, at least not too much build up. And once you clean it on a regularly, it'll be okay. All I need was this, baby. You are ready, you are ready, you are ready. So let's move on to the next unboxing. Yes, sir. I already opened it already. So let's dive in. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let me get this out. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. I got it out. It was all stuck to the damn box. One hand wasn't going to work. So I had to use both hands. All right. So I like this. I like the case that is in. Nice. Well protected. Let's dive in. Let's open it up and dive in here. Okay. I like this. You got to release these down. Okay. I like that. All right. Got the book. You see it. The trimmer. You see it. Yes, sir. What's this? Okay. An extra blade. We got this, the charger. Yep. This is the charger. Okay. And I guess this the other cord. Yes, sir. That's the other cord that plugs into here. I guess that plugs right into here. You see it right here. Yes, sir. Comes with a screwdriver. Don't know what that's for yet. Also comes with some liquid stuff. You know what I'm saying? You know how clippers go. Oil, the blades and stuff like that. And here go the trimmer. Here it is right here, ladies and gentlemen. Nice. I wonder if it got battery. Do it use battery or you have to just plug it up? Let's find out. Let's see what's up with it. All right. So I got it hooked up. So let's turn it on and see what it do. You feel me? What a power. Okay, I guess it's. Oh yeah, this right here. Make sure my fingers are not in the way. Okay. You see it? Yes, sir. Okay, so what we got? One level. Can this turn up? I don't see no more buttons on here. Okay, this green button says this thing at the top. We could turn this. Let's see. Oh, I guess this turn it ups and down. Yeah, see? Look. It turned it all the way down. You see that? You could barely hear it. And it's moving kind of slow. And then you could turn it up by turning this green thing. Yeah. It go get faster and faster. Okay, you see it. Yes, sir. All right. Yes, sir. I'm liking it. I can't wait to try this out. Can't wait. Let me turn it off before I cut up my damn finger. There we go. Yes, sir. You are ready. So, appreciate my man. Appreciate my brother. My brother. You know who you are, man. You feel me? You know who you are. Yes, sir. You a true brother. You don't even need, you know what I'm saying, the love, the recognition for this. You know what I'm saying? You don't. You feel me? You just want to know that you recommended me to the good product, and that's all that matters. Yes, sir. And you seen the water treatment. So now, this winter, we gonna get it popping. We got the Mac one coming, and we got some other more clones coming. So big up Yield Source for that one, man. Big up JP for the Mac. Yes, sir. And big up my #1 supporter for recommended this to me. Yes, sir. And big up everybody out there, man. Everybody that love Monarch, been supporting the Monarch, both channel. Mad love, mad respect. Peace and love. And we up out of here.